Subscribe to this channel.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a mobile geek. So in this tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you exactly on how you can change your Facebook background and also your messenger background. Okay, first what you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store and download a crazy app called Designer Tool. Okay, first you need to go to your Play Store. All right, so yeah, then search for an app called Designer Tool. All right, so the link of this app, I'm gonna post it on the description, so no need to be worried guys. This app is also so cool. Okay, you need to select the third app, which is Designer Tool, when it shows up here. And when it shows up like this, you need to download it. You need to exercise little amount of patience. Okay, yeah, okay, you need to open the app. Yeah, first you need to run the app, and also select a photo of your choice. This is the photo I want to set on my Facebook background. Okay, you can do the same, you can choose any photo of your choice. All right, so also this is what I call the radiation. The radiation is the brightness, like how do you want the picture to show on the background of your Facebook or Messenger. Okay, it's super simple guys. As you see, the photo in this case, the photo is not too bright. Okay, but if I want, I'll also make it bright. All right, this is it. As you see, presently on my Facebook there is a background photo on my Facebook. Okay, so if I want, I will also mix it to be more brighter than this one. Okay, I will also increase the radiation. Yeah, so that is it. Now it's more brighter. Okay, so that is it guys. This app is also cool. I love it so much. You can do this, you can choose any picture in your gallery to do this. All right, so it has two-way how to do it. You can do it on it has landscape format and also it has portrait format. It's all up to you. All right, so that is it. It's so cool. As you see, there is a photo on the background. This is so amazing. This is so amazing guys. Okay, so you can do this. Yeah, so let me just go to my messenger again, then see. Yeah, I love this trick so much. So yeah, that is it. Let me go to my messenger again. Yeah, this is my messenger. As you see guys, the same picture that is on the Facebook is the same picture that is on the messenger as well. Okay, this is so cool. But don't be like some people. I know some people might want to ask, like for example, what about if you want to deactivate this? What about if you want to remove this picture? If you want to remove this picture that you set on your Facebook or Messenger, all you need to do is to go on the app again, then deactivate it. It's super simple guys. Okay, and this is all about the tutorial guys. If you found this video more helpful guys, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that anytime I drop a video you'll be notified about it. Peace.